Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and getting Google Translate installed. Confirm your iPhone is updated and has enough space, then download Google Translate from the App Store and sign into your Google account. Once done, grant microphone and camera permissions so the app can use voice and camera translation. Make sure background app refresh is allowed if you want quick startup. These steps let the translation engine and resources be available when you integrate the app with typing workflows. Now you build the bridge between typing and Google Translate by creating a shortcut. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard, then Text Replacement and tap the plus button to add a new entry. Enter a phrase that will act as the trigger and set a concise shortcut, for example TR, N for English or TR, E's for Spanish, so you can type it quickly. Once added, the keyboard will suggest that phrase. When accepted, it launches your workflow to copy text into Google Translate, making the process fast and consistent. Finish by using the shortcut to send text into Google Translate. Type your shortcut, accept the suggestion, then select the text and copy it into the Google Translate app or use the share sheet. Select text, tap share, then translate to skip manual copying. Make sure the Translate app is in your share extensions for this to appear. If something goes wrong, check app permissions, enable the share extension, try reinstalling Google Translate, and restart your iPhone. That resolves most integration issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.